Welcome to Doc Charles Vlog. Let's talk about balisong. This is how we begin learning the balisong. Okay, it's like this. This is very common. See? Okay, flip it downwards and then 3 steps. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now you can do it sideways. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3. Sideways. But you can modify it. Okay. If you can see that you can have it in 2 moves. So instead of flipping it just like that, you turn it around and get the handle. Okay, drop it, turn it. Okay, it's actually 1 move. Okay, you can do it this way. Okay. It's the first one. Okay, this is another way. Okay, when you hold it, drop, change grip, and bring it up. Drop, change grip, bring it up. Drop, change your grip, open. Drop, change your grip, open. Okay. Drop. You can exaggerate it. You can drop up to this point, then go down, change grip, and then okay. You can drop, change grip, open. Drop, change grip, bring it up. Okay. You can do it both ways. Okay. Drop, change grip, drop, change grip. Okay, or in a single move you can do it. Drop, okay, okay. So you can do it quickly with 1 move. Okay. That's how it is. You can 1, 2, 3. Okay, drop, bring it up, change grip, but you can do it in 1 move. Okay. So that's it, folks.